Nissan.co.uk/electric February. On digital.
Cheer me, bud. Tuesday morning, got in nice and early, and as I was opening the shutter then, I dropped my coffee on the floor. Miraculously, it didn't spill. The lid stayed on. Now that is a well-made coffee cup. Saved my morning. Oh. Let's get on with the day, eh? So we've been a little bit busy this morning. But Dave and myself have been doing a wrap on a smart car for a tattoo removal company. It's looking pretty good, I think. These boys are just jumping on the bandwagon, doing the easy bit on the back. Ain't it, Jay? That's Dave, savage. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Well, the smart car is now finished, and we got tidied up, moved on to another job, but I've took the wrong turning. It's your fault, that. But yeah, I'm going to pop over to Asda, pick Chloe something up for Valentine's Day, because it is currently right now Valentine's Day, and I haven't got her anything yet. I've been too busy. She knows, because like I say, I won't be vlogging if she didn't know. But yeah, I'm gonna head over there. Hopefully they got some stuff left that I can get her something nice. Just got some stuff. And I heard on the radio before somebody say, "Oh, do you buy flowers for Valentine's Day? They're dead tomorrow." So I thought that's not a bad suggestion. I was gonna buy some roses, but I've got a teddy bear instead. Lasts forever then, doesn't it? You see? It's nice and fluffy.
You'll just go, what's the difference?
She'll love it.
So they're very, very different.
It's very.
For some reason, I woke up this morning with my left eye severely bloodshot. Don't know why. I think Chloe might have farted on my pillow, bare butt. But I'm left in work. Everybody's gone. Everybody's left, and I'm clutch editing my video from yesterday. It's coming up to 20 to 6. I've only just started to like upload it, so not had any time today really at all to do anything other than the smart car and all the work that we've got on. But look outside. Usually that's all lit up. That hella dark out there. Could be anybody stood there. Could be anybody. I don't know. I don't know. I think Till might let me know. You'd let me know, wouldn't you, Till? Tilly. I swear that dog. So I'm going deaf or becoming like aggressively ignorant. I'm going with aggressively ignorant. Right, anyway, let's get this video uploaded so I can go home. It's Valentine's Day. See my missus.
It's very.
Oh, I should have gone for a wee. Should have gone for a wee before I locked up. Bursting. But it's locked up now. There's not too much effort. Shutter, door, alarm, lights. No. We're going. We'll rush on. Go on, Till. Get in. Get in then. Go on, you freak. I don't know why she makes such hard work about getting in the car. She's an athletic dog. She pretends she can't do it. She's just lazy. Just plain laziness. So, funny thing that's happened. I was driving up Mosley Road past the hospital and there's a bit of traffic. I wondered what was going on. So as I got to where the traffic was being held, oh no, I realised that there was a full-blown bird just stranded in the road. Just sat there. Everybody was just driving around it. Oh my god, he's trying to make an escape for it. Birdie, lie down, I'm taking you to the vets. My heart's going. Everybody was just bloody driving around it while it was sat there in the road. So I pulled over, got a jacket. Oh my god, he's trying to go for it. Trying to go for it. I'm gonna drop him off at the vets. Thank God. Don't try and snap me. Don't snip at me. Come here. I got you. That's your wing. Stop biting your own wing. Ah, you sod. Right, here we go. Here we go. Just dropped the bird off. I don't know what kind of bird it was. I think it might have been some sort of dove of some sort. So I'm not sure, but just dropped them off now. They've got some details off me because they wanted to know like where I found it so that they could drop it back there and stuff like that. But yeah, I think and they took my phone number so they can let me know how they get on and stuff like that. I think I'll call him or her Snappy because they tried to snap at me the entire time I was trying to help it. Yeah, well. Alright, let's get home now. So me and Akron, we're having the old Valentine's Day takeaway. Chloe's got a beef curry there. I've got salt and pepper king prawn. God bless my belly. We just had a soup to start as well. I had a crab meat and sweet corn soup. Chloe had chicken sweet corn soup. I'm gonna go and do my best with this. Well, our eyes were definitely bigger than our bellies tonight. We both left most of our meals. I'm blaming it on the soup. It was a rather large bowl of soup. But yeah, I've thrown all mine in a Tupperware dish. I'll have it for my dinner tomorrow. It's a bit dodgy though, warming up prawns, isn't it? We've just been watching a programme about dogs and like working dogs and what dogs can do basically. But they didn't have any boxer dogs on there, so I boycotted it. Said, I'm not watching it anymore, not got boxer dogs on it, I'm going to bed. And Chloe's still downstairs watching it. I'm going to come up and catch up on my YouTube subs. It's only 10:30 and I am knackered. Just lay there watching YouTube vids then and I can barely keep my bloody eyes open. Time for bed, babe. Time for bobas. She gets shy. Tuesday over.